Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shooter game in Scratch 3. So you want to go to my starter project. I'll share the link in the description down below. So when you open it, press C inside and you'll see three sprites. A player sprite, a bullet sprite, and a zombie sprite. Go to the player sprite and get a when flag clicked, control, forever, get an if, go to operators, get an or, sensing, get a key right arrow pressed or key D pressed, so the player can use the arrow keys or the WSD keys to move. Go to motion and change X by 5. Right click and duplicate the if statement and put left arrow pressed or key A pressed. Change X by -5 or -5. Duplicate the first if statement and put up arrow key pressed or W key pressed. Change Y by 5 and if down arrow key pressed or S key pressed, change Y by -5. You also want to point towards mouse pointer and show, go to front layer and go to 0 0. Okay, that's done, so we can test this. Press the green flag, it goes to 0 0, the middle of the screen, and it follows my mouse pointer, like it points towards my mouse pointer, and when I press WASD it moves, or when I press the arrow keys it also moves. So yeah, now we want this tank sprite to shoot bullets. So what you want to do is get another when green flag clicked, get a forever loop, and if, go to operators, get an or, go to sensing, get a key space press or mouse down, so get a create clone of bullet, and before that put a wait block of 0.2 seconds. So whenever you press space or you press left click, it'll shoot a bullet. So you want to go to the bullet sprite, get a when green flag clicked, hide, so it hides the original sprite. Go to control, when I start is clone, show, want to go to motion and go to player, point in direction, go to sensing, get the thing of thing block, put player and direction, so point in direction of player, go to control and get a repeat until, so repeat until touching edge, go to motion and move 20 steps, and after it touches the edge you want to make sure that it deletes, so get a delete this clone. and you also want to get a go to back layer so it's behind everything, and just in case, move 15 steps after the pointing direction. So now we can test this. Press the green flag, it moves as normal. I can use WSD, and when I click, it shoots a bullet. When I click space, it also shoots a bullet. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.